Alright, after listening to thousands of our users' feedback, today I'm going to show you how to use power of ChatGPT or DeepSeek to build a mobile app more efficiently. Less time, less credit, higher quality. So let's start. When you're building an app, think about this. Is there an existing app already contains most of the features of my app? I will make an example here. Now, I'm thinking about building an app for users rent houses, so Airbnb would be a perfect case as my reference. But don't put query like build me an Airbnb app directly in the query box. Try this way. First, go to DeepSeek or ChatGPT and create query like this. Describe Airbnb mobile app as in detailed MVP. I'm going to let AI build me a similar app. Here, I'm going to use DeepSeek to do the demo. Make sure to turn Deep Think and Internet Search on and let it start. Now we got a very detailed query. Copy it and come back to OnSpace. Paste it and delete the meaningless words and start. I have also ran a product with the query, build me an Airbnb app. Let's compare the two. As we can see, the detailed query makes everything including sign up, log in, log out, and many other features already built from the first query, not like the other, that saves many rounds of query adding them. Here, because we haven't connect backend yet, I'm tested with a fake email. And we can see the layout, color, design style are also considered. If you need other tutorials for using OnSpace.AI, you can subscribe our channel. We will keep doing videos like this to help.